Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kenmark M. Tuyo, and today I am going to talk about abortion. Abortion is a very serious and emotional topic, especially in the Philippines, where most people are Christian. As a Christian, I believe that life is a gift from God and should be valued. The Bible teaches us that every life is important, even the life of a baby in the womb. However, I also understand that not everyone sees it at the same way, and many women face situations are very painful and difficult. Some women get pregnant even when they are not ready. Some are too young, some are poor, and some are victims of abuse rape. It is easy to say abortion is wrong, but it is harder to imagine being in their situation. While I believe life should be protected, I also think women deserve compassion, not judgment. God teaches us to love and understand others, especially when they are hurting. Instead of only arguing whether abortion is right or wrong, I think we should focus on helping women so they do not feel forced to make such a painful choice. The government, church, and community should give support, education, and care for mothers in need. In the end, I still believe in the value of life, but I also believe that kindness and understanding are just important. As Christians, we should open our hearts and listen before judging. Sometimes, showing love is the first step toward saving a life.